Hi and welcome back to Property Insight. Today we're going to be talking about the ICO, which is the Information Commission's office. And that basically is the office that controls the GDPR rules around running a business. And as a landlord or investor, you may well have had a letter through the post about this ICO thing and whether or not you should have it. So we're going to just discuss that today. My name is Mark Ashworth.
And I'm Neil Harding.
So the ICO is this organisation that helps to make sure that everyone's following the GDPR rules, or data protection as it used to be called. It's quite a big thing, but I don't think it's anything to be scared of. And I think you just need to make sure that you're being compliant. And there is a small charge for that. So they're sort of like an independent authority, aren't they, that upholds the rights for people's information to be held compliantly, effectively.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's all about data handling and handling correctly people's personal information. So as landlords, we are all running a business, whether we're in a limited company or a sole trader. If you're a landlord, as far as ICO are concerned, you're classed as a business, and therefore you're data handling, as all businesses are. And as landlords, sometimes we're data handling personal information such as the tenant's name, their original address. It may be that you hold credit reference information, at least temporarily, even if you're not storing it permanently. Of course, there's electronic data storage for different periods of time. So all of that needs to be GDPR compliant and compliant as far as the ICO are concerned.
I don't think it makes any difference whether you're a landlord and you're self-managing or you're having an agent manage it. I don't know, would you get ASTs sent to you as a...
I think it's possible. It's possible that you see. I mean, I have a letting agent. I like to have a copy of the AST myself so I can see that it's there. You know, if I'm doing things like selective licensing, then quite often I have to upload a copy of the AST, and I'm responsible as the license holder for that. And for ICO, you as the landlord have to be the one who's opening the account on their website. It's your responsibility. The agent can't do it for you. And, you know, that's quite often the way with quite a lot of landlord stuff, you know, where you can't always completely delegate something to an agent.
Okay, so it's important that whether you're a landlord and you're managing yourself or whether you're using an agent, you need to have this certificate to say that you are compliant. So it is the law, let's just be clear about that. And it doesn't matter how many properties you have or how many people work for you. If you've got any data that is owned by anybody else that you're having to manage or protect, and to make sure it's treated fairly, you need to have this certification, would you say? Or
Yeah. And the good news is it's not actually all that expensive.
No.
For most people, It's going to be 40 quid. And I think actually there's a small discount of £5 if you pay by direct debit. So effectively it might cost 35. It's not a huge amount of money, but it is something that you need to do.
Basically, simply what you need to do is to go on to the webpage, which we'll link in the description below. It's only a 10-15 minute process to register yourself. You need to give them your details, your business details, your turnover, your staff, and your business details. And then some credit card details to pay annually, and then you pay on an annual basis by direct debit. It's pretty straightforward.
So if you're a landlord watching and you have received a letter from the Information Commission office, do take it seriously and follow what they say. It probably won't be a fraudulent letter. At least go onto the website and figure out whether or not you need to register. It's an annual payment, and I think if you are non-compliant, there are potentially fines. I think we'll put in the show notes how much those fines are, but I think they can run to thousands of pounds.
Yeah.
So yeah, do take action.
So we hope that you found that video useful. Please like, subscribe and share the content so we can bring you more videos like this. And you may also find of interest our Facebook group. So if you want to check out our Property Insight UK Facebook group, please go on and join the community where everybody is sharing content And we also run a local networking meeting in our area, which is in Cambridge. So there's more information all about that on the group. So we look forward to seeing you on the next one.